Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Suzuki GSXR1000 superbike. This thing is gorgeous. Beautiful showroom condition, 2013, only 13,700 miles. It's got a smoked windscreen, pro taper handlebars with adjustable levers, frame sliders, and wait till you hear that Yoshimura exhaust system. It's got the fender tidy and a seat cowl for the rear passenger seat. Come on by and make your superbike dreams come true with this beautiful 2013 GSXR1000. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.